YouTube, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a new video, and you guys seem to enjoy these logo tutorials, so here we are. As you can see, we have Blaze Games right here, and it is by Cool Logos with a K. So if you guys want to check out his work, this is his handle. Go ahead and show him some support. I chose this one because I think this can be simple enough for beginners to learn, and it also looks appealing. So yeah, real quick before we start, we have had a huge revamp to our entire store. Design assets for Roblox and browse. You can see we have so many new assets right here. We can go to explore, and now we can also filter by free, as you can see. And right here, as you can see, we have unlimited access. Link is down below, or you can head over to gfxcomment.com. Right, so here we are. To begin, I don't know what font he used, so I think we're just gonna pencil the letters. I don't think it'll be too difficult, so let's make a new layer. We're gonna take our pencil right here, pencil, mode, shape. For fill, you can use the color white or black, anything that is visible. Stroke is obviously off, so we're just going to zoom in closer. We're going to start with the letter B right here. You just click anywhere. I'm gonna start right here and drag. We're just going to follow the shape here. There we go. I'm probably going to speed this part up, for the simple fact that this is pretty simple. Just takes a little bit of time. Alright, so I am done with the Blaze text letters. The only thing to do here is to make these cutouts. So it's very simple. Take the A, right click, and hit rasterize layer. Hold Control, click on the icon, go to this layer, hit delete or backspace, and if we hide this, now we have a cutout. So right here, I'm just going to merge these two shapes. Control E. Oops, I had to rasterize this layer. Delete, and here we go. Looking pretty solid so far. Okay, so let's take all these. Control G, group, Blaze, backup. I'm gonna copy, and Control E. We're gonna flatten. This is gonna be Blaze. And yeah, let's begin with blending options up here. Let me go for a color overlay. We go for this orange. Looks pretty good. Right click, rasterize layer style. Right click, new layer. Right click, create mask. Let's take a pencil, color white, and we're gonna go ahead and do this fire effect. So just go ahead and pencil this thing right here. Pretty cool. I guess we just go across. Boom. So we're just gonna go across. Bring this down. It should be like right here. And this part's a little messed up. Right click. Rasterize layer so we can cut this part out like that. Okay, so I think we go overlay, and if you hit E or go here, eraser, copy these settings up here. We use this to add a slight kind of fade to the effects here, and we can copy this once more for a second layer, just like so. You can lower the opacity, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let me see. Try to get a good look. The A could use some work, I guess, but it's okay. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna lower this. We could add an extra layer. Take our brush tool and just kind of brighten up this part if you want. You don't have to, I think. Just a small little touch. Keep it on normal. Just gonna do that. I think that looks pretty good. Let's go back into blending options up here. We're gonna go for inner shadow and go for overlay mode, change the angle so we have something kind of like this. I think normal actually. Change the color right here. Okay, that's pretty cool. I think I'm just gonna stick with this or overlay. Okay, fine. I'll just do this. Okay, looks pretty good to me. We're missing these little fire particles. So you want to go ahead and pencil these out. Boom. I'm pretty sure by now you know how to make these. Boom. Change the color and also inner shadow. Hit OK, and now for the 3D text effects, we're gonna go ahead and copy, so hold Alt, drag, boom, right click, raster layer style. We're gonna hold Control, click, select on this color, Alt backspace, Control T, resize, down here, layer, pencil, same color. I'm just gonna connect these points. Alright, take all these, right click. Alright, take all these, right click and merge layers. And take our pencil, new layer, right click and create mask. Use the color white, and now we're just gonna start adding some shadows. Boom. Now we're gonna take polygonal lasso tool, and we're just gonna make some lines right here, okay? Erase this part. Now we have some nice sweet shadows, like so. Okay, same thing for these right here. Boom. Pretty cool. And this thing should be like this. Erase. Alright, that's good. Overlay should work fine. We make a new layer, clip, and use the color white for some highlights. Very simple. It's like up here, also like over here if you want. Okay, so we have this. There we go. Change the mode. Overlay should work. I'm just going to copy it once more. And there we have it. That is our blaze text. I think it looks really good. Yeah, take a look. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Alright, mesh this up. Now, let's go ahead and this is blaze. I'm just gonna speed up and add the game text. So games, really, we could separate these, make like a little gap, and basically right click, rasterize type. So we could Control T, right click and hit warp. For warp, go for, I think, arc. Arc is fine, something like this. Okay, we're good. New layer. Go ahead and make this little flame icon right here. Pretty simple stuff. Right, we're select the color and this little error, which always happens for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, and there are a bunch of effects on this thing, which we're gonna add. Shadow, double up. Oops. Okay, we have this, and I think this is good. Boom. New layer. So inside shape. Is this the same shape? No, it's not. Okay. Place this right here as best as possible, and here is our full text. So group, copy. This right here is our text, and now for the background, let's see what we have here. Okay, new layer. We'll take our pencil. I'm just gonna trace this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, cool. Oops. I'm gonna place this behind our text. Should look a little something like this. Right, and there's also like a second layer behind everything. We're going to add that after, but this pretty simple. Trying to finish this quickly. Getting kind of sleepy. It's like 1 a.m. here, so a little bit tired, but this looks pretty good. I like it. I guess if you want, you could do some shading too, like this, and what you could do is take your pencil, or actually polygonal. So you can do the same thing here. That's really all you gotta do to make this effect. So if you want to go ahead and do that for all these, you can do so. It's pretty time consuming. I don't know of a better way to accomplish this. If you know, please educate me. Alright, I think it looks pretty good. I think the little background is like a texture, so if you go online, you could probably look this up. But for me, this looks pretty good. So if we take everything, group this up, copy, call this our comp, and copy again. And it's a habit of mine to just make multiple copies, because one thing that really sucks is if you want to undo and you can't undo anymore, so it's nice to have multiple copies of your work. So I'm gonna take everything, Control E to merge, and make a new layer. Hold Control, click on the icon to make a selection. Select Modify, Expand by 35. Might be a bit too much. Select Modify, Expand by 25. Okay. Eyedropper on this red color. We're gonna hit Alt Backspace. So basically fill, like so. We take our pencil and just fill in the gaps right here. Merge. And lastly, this thing we're gonna add nice white outline, like so, 15. Okay. All right, and obviously if you want to make this better, we're gonna add some post effects, so we could brush tool some contrast. And actually, I'm gonna bring back the text here just for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and make a copy, make this black, so we have a nice shadow. I think this really adds to it, like this. Pretty cool. And yeah, let me keep adding some more effects so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's like right here. Gonna make everything pop out a little bit more. Really hate saying that, but it's whatever. Alright, that is pretty much it. If this video has been helpful for you guys, drop a like down below. All of your support matters. If you can head over to our store and grab some free items, you don't even have to spend $1. Just grab some free stuff. That really helps us out. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, take care.